So you want to make YouTube videos, but don't want to use expensive video and photo editing software? Don't worry, in this video you are going to see the best alternatives of Photoshop and Premiere Pro that are free and don't need high-end computers. Both of these softwares are available for both PC and mobile, but using a PC would be better. For photo editing, we have Canva. Canva is a photo editing software available on mobile and also on web browsers. You don't need to download it as it is a web-based photo editing software. It can be used as a professional photo editing software. You can make professional advertisements on this. You can make social media motion graphics in it, generate AI images, easily edit your photos to look good, and almost all the features that professional photo editing software offer.
Now for video editing, we have CapCut. CapCut is a free software for both iPhone and PC. It is specially designed for making social media content, and so you can make videos like professional influencers for absolutely free. Even this video is made in CapCut. It even has AI features like auto captions and text-to-speech, etc. So if you like both of these software, please subscribe to grow this channel. Thanks for watching.